Hey guys, we got this 2011 Rav4, and today we'll be installing these Oxito LED fog lights. They are H11 bulbs, so these should just be a plug and play situation. So these are going to be fairly straightforward to do. First thing you're going to want to do is either turn your wheel enough that you can get in here to access this inner fender liner, or take the wheel off if you want for more room. Now, you'll notice we've got this little flathead screw looking thing here. Fairly simple to take out. All you're gonna do, just turn this, quarter turn like that. It's probably not gonna come out that easy, I'll be 100% honest with you. These things get full of dirt. They have little spikes on them. That's what the clip looks like, okay? And you're probably gonna have to stick the flat underneath to pop it out basically, but take your time with it, it will come out. Once you get that done, you'll be able to slide the fender liner kind of over this way a little bit and sort of peel it back. And by doing that, that gives us access, try to get the light set up there, to our light bulb. So you're gonna be able to just reach in there. We can just push on this little connector, unplug that, take our light bulb. We're gonna turn it counterclockwise, remove it, and then we'll be able to take our new bulb, stick it in there. We can line those 3 tabs up on our new bulb and then turn it clockwise to lock it in place. So we get the tab set up, turn it clockwise. We can see that it is seated correctly into the fog light lens. Plug that in, we heard it clip into place. And now we're just going to turn these on. We'll show you what they're gonna look like from original to fog light. All right, so to install this, you just line this up, slip it into place like so. Now there's this other little piece here, sorry, this has to come out first and around. And then if you just kind of push on the bumper a little bit, it should line up. And that goes vertical like that. All right, let's check out these LED fog lights. Dang, it looks so much nicer. That white light instead of the yellow. I don't know, I just love the white light. It looks so much more modern. Plus you get better visibility as well. Like the light extends way further than the yellow light. So totally worth the upgrade. We're gonna be doing these headlights next. So if you wanna see those on your Rav, check that video out. All right, thanks for watching. Hopefully you guys liked the video. If you want these lights for your Rav4, check the link in the description below. Use code TECH28 for 10% off your purchase order. And subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.